I need a haircut. Every like 3 or 4 weeks you see me get bushy and then just nice and clean again, back to bushy. What else we got? Electric tonneau cover. And that's about it, I know.
Switch Pro. Front
bar.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, front bar. Fork.
Winch,
Hey. Look at you. Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Today we've got Nathan's Ram 3500 DJ2 in for stage 2 in the Big Dog Builds workshop. So stage 1 we did the suspension lift, the wheels and the tyres and the electric steps. This was the Carly pin top 3.25 kit, the Method 305 NVs in titanium and the Toyo Mud Terrain 35, 12.5, 18 tyres. Before Nathan and family head over to Western Australia, they've come back in for stage 2. So this is setting up the vehicle to tow the Caravan across Australia, have a few more creature comforts. We've gone with the 100 amp super slimline lithium in behind the seat. So this is our own crew cab Ram 100 amp slimline battery tray. In behind the seat there isn't much room here, so we've had to delete one of the little air vents on the back. This acts as a nice little grommet for the cables to go in and out of the vehicle. So we've got the 12 volt power in the tub now. This is to power a fridge full time. There's also dual USB in there for charging up phones. On the tow bar of the vehicle, we've got all these outlets and inlets. So this is a grey 50 amp Anderson outlet. We've got the red Anderson inlet, so this is to the BCDC. We've gone with the Redarc BCDC1250 charger and MPPT solar controller. He's also got the manual air controls here, so this is to do the airbags on the suspension manually if he ever needs to. Also at the back we've gone with the Jenny hitch receiver, so this is the 7,000 kilo 5-inch drop. Awesome hitches guys, you have to be really safe with what you choose here, towing and also what you recover off. We've seen some horror stories, so be really careful. All of the Jenny hitch lineup here in Australia is engineered and proven to suit our standards, and definitely one that we recommend here at Big Dog Builds. For this air on board, we've gone for the twin Viair 444C combo pack, also mixed with the 11 litre Airbag Man full stainless steel air tank. And this is all wired through the Airbag Man pressure control module. So he's got the plug and play digital pressure reader, as well as the wireless key fob to control the airbags, go up and down from sitting in the driver's seat. While the van's on the back, you can get it to the desired height and always maintain and check that pressure as you're driving. Having air on board while you're traveling is definitely one that we recommend. Having the ability to change a spare tyre on the side of the road or help others that are in need, deflate, inflate all your tyres through the setup, as well as do your airbags in the suspension. You can also get a lot more ARB accessories from any local store, and you can do your air outlets, pneumatic air tools, all the rest. So on the front of this vehicle you can see the brand new off-road creative Ram 2500 front bar. This is an amazing looking bar, fully ADR compliant, fully airbag compliant, and one of the best looking bars we think for these Ram 3500 DJ2s. The steady lighting package in the bar is a 31-inch LED light bar, as well as 2 C4 Cube LED lights in there as well. This is all switched through our favourite Switch Pro SP9100 switching unit. Fairly basic install on this one. He's just got the compressor on and off for now, as well as the 2 different light outputs on the bar, so one being the LED bar and one being the cube lights. This is fully programmable through your phone. You can set it up on high beam trigger. You can put the fog lights just on and off, constant power switch if desired. These are a really nice, neat setup. He's gone with it from the start. So after this trip, if we decide to do a roof rack with more LED lights or more 12 volt loads, we can easily add these to the Switch Pro and customise how they switch, all from your Bluetooth on your phone. On the back of this vehicle, we've also installed the HSP electric tonneau cover. So this is a nice lockable cover which will keep everything in the back nice and secure. We've also wired this up through the factory key fob so you can open and close it from the factory key. This is a nice looking design. We're really happy with this one. And for anyone that's keeping the factory tub, there's also non-ram box and ram box models available. To finish off stage 2 on Nathan's build, we've gone for the Suntech ceramic infrared window tint. So this is the top of the line from Suntech brand. We've also done a little weather strip on his windscreen, which will help keep the harsh Australian sun out of your eyes on those outback drives. Guys, if you're looking to do a Ram 3500 build, this is probably the key one to look at. You've got good suspension, good wheels, good tyres, smart 12-volt battery in behind the seat, nice and tucked away. You've got air on board to pump up your tyres, do your airbags in the suspension. All nice and hidden, not taking up any room in the tub whatsoever. And then the Switch Pro to switch all your 12-volt loads on and off, as well as the front bar from Off-Road Creative being nice and strong. If he wants to add any more accessories, we can do it all through this Switch Pro. If you want roof racks, fuel tank upgrades, anything else, guys, get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you. Little how to shoot videos 101 with AP Media. Heads off to WA, so Western Australia here in Australia. Before Nathan heads over to Duffy.